guys, Lisa here, and today is Trendsend Day. Trendsend is, they actually charge your credit card $1 before they ship out your box. So I guess technically it's $1 to get this box sent to you. I believe they do credit it back to you. You're not actually paying $1 for the box. It's just, I guess, to verify that your card is active and can buy these clothes if you decide to buy these clothes. This is my third Trendsend box. I do love my Trendsend box. So far I've liked my Trendsend box, and I did say that I want my same stylist. Her name is Adriana. I did get an email this time about her being out of the office, and if I would like to have somebody else style my box, I was able to. I did send an email back saying that they could have somebody else style my box, but I think they went ahead and waited for, Adriana to come back and do it. So the great thing about Trendsend is they send you usually 3 complete outfits. Sometimes the outfits might just work with something else they sent you, so it might not be a complete outfit, but normally it is a complete outfit. And there's no discount if you decide to keep everything or you don't decide to keep everything. Oh, I see a sweater in here. And that is free shipping to and from. So we'll start getting this out. Here's my first bundle. Those are my colors, black and black. It says love like a mom. And the first item is a sleeveless black tank, just a black tank. It's nice and soft. It's pretty. As pretty as a black tank can be. This is, oh, it's a skirt. I should probably move you guys back so you could see it more. That's cute. This is like my length skirt I love. I love knee or midi. I love midi skirts. I can do the maxi, but usually with me being so tall, sometimes the maxis hit me almost kind of midi. I'm not that tall, but you'd think for designers I am. And then they sent a cut by the Kloth jean jacket. And I actually think I saw, I think her name's Jennifer White. And I actually told her I liked this jean jacket she had got. So I do have a jean jacket. We'll have to see how much that one is. So my third outfit, here we go. I'm assuming they think that this could go with something else since it didn't come with, it looks like what, a bottom. Oh, like a little Lacey Cami. It's pretty. I love olive green. I like the dark colors, or the real deep, I guess deep jewel tone colors. And then a cardigan, which I don't actually have a cardigan in this color. And I like my cardigans. No pockets. This on the side kind of worries me. That might make you look a little bit wider than you are. We'll have to see what that looks like on. I don't know why you would have that kind of a cut out or cut in there. And then here is my next one. I'm loving this yellow. I was just saying I have a hard time finding yellow. And then my Stitch Fix sends me a yellow kimono, and they've sent me something yellow. So this is a striped top. Almost reminds me of the Madewell, I think it's called their city shirts, which I love their city shirts. I think I'm getting one in my Trendsend, which is multicolored. So we'll have to see about that one. Okay. Another kind of boho-y shirt. I keep getting some boho-y stuff in my boxes, and I don't have boho checked because they're a little bit wider on top. So sometimes they make me look wider than I am. And it's got cute little buttons going down the back. They're fake buttons, so that could be cute. The sleeve has a little tie on it. And then, oh, a pair of gaucho pants. I have been wanting these. In fact, my son and I took a trip to Europe this past summer with his school, and these were all over the place in Italy and London and Paris, and yeah, Ireland, Scotland. We went all over the place, but I looked when I could in all of these stores for a pair of these pants because everybody looks so cute in them. So I'm hoping this gathered waist and the little tie actually does look good because I've been wanting these forever now. And it looks like that's it. That's all it is. So we'll get trying this stuff on and we'll see what it looks like. Okay guys, here's the first look. How she told me to wear it with the tank tucked in and the jean jacket, which I can wear, she said, on a night out with some elegant sandals. And during the day I could wear with Converse, which was a cute idea. I didn't think about wearing Converse. I don't really like the tank tucked in so much. I could probably maybe wear some shapewear there. I do like the skirt though. It's kind of a knitted skirt, and it has stripes going a different way on the top. Jean jacket's nice. It has the frayed hem there and the frayed hem going around. Perfect length jean jacket and the perfect color. I don't like my jean jackets too dark and I don't like my jean jackets too light. So this is nice. It has a good amount of stretch in it. The skirt is a perfect length. I love this length skirt because I don't have to worry about bending over or anything like that. And since I am a little bit older, I don't need anything too high. Here's what the tank looks like. It's just a nice scoop neck tank, sleeveless, I guess, more of a sleeveless shirt. A little bit higher neck in the back. Very cute. I am liking the skirt. The shirt is $38, the skirt is $48, and then the jean jacket is $89. So those are the prices, and I'll leave all of it below. Nice thing about Trendsend is they have a website called evereve.com. That's the actual store the clothes come from, and you could purchase all of these items there if you were to see something you like and didn't want to get a Trendsend box. So I will go on to my next outfit for you guys. Okay, this top is a no. I don't have the body type for this top at all. I love the color. I think the design is, it's cute. It's the top's just not for me. She told me that this would be my more elegant outfit with these paper bag like culottes, which I can't decide on these culottes. They have a pleats going on the waist here, which probably isn't the best for my body type. So I'll see what it looks like with that other shirt she had me send with it. But here is this. This top could be, I would never wear this top. Even if this top looked good to me, I would never wear it with these kind of pants. I think it's too flowy. I think this could be cute with like a pair of shorts or even some distressed jeans or something. But yeah, that one's just not for me. I'll tell you the prices of these. I'll leave them down below. This top is $58 and the paper bag waist culottes are $68. Yes. So I'll try the SS shirt on next with the culottes for my casual look for my culottes. Okay guys, here is the SS shirt. It's very similar to the Madewell, and I thought it was called the City shirt. This one's a little bit more silky, and they say it is an olive green stripe, which I guess I can kind of see that. I actually thought it was gray when I first looked at it. She told me to leave it untucked for a slouchy look, and I don't know that I agree that that would look good with these. I would think that it would look maybe better tucked in. Although I don't think I would actually wear these together. I think the culottes would look much cuter with a nice tight tank or ballerina kind of shirt tucked into it. But I did have a couple of slouchy looks on my Pinterest board, so she probably saw that from there, and I get it. I like things that I see on other people or on Pinterest that probably wouldn't look good with my body type. Yeah. So I think the shirt, I think I would probably just go with the Madewell shirt. Here's the pants with a cute little tie on it. Yeah, I just don't think the pleats are probably really doing anything for my body type, but she did do what I wanted, some culottes, so I'll get my jeans put back on so we can try on the Lacey green tank with the cardigan. So here's the last outfit, and I'm liking it. I'm a cardi girl. I do not have a cardigan this color, which actually surprises me. It does look like it kind of goes up a little bit. It has a slit. Just a plain cardigan. The knit is a little bit big, so there is a little bit of, you know, breeze through. There's a little bit of a design where there's kind of like, I don't know if that you call them really holes, because they're not holes, but where the weaving or the knitting's a little bit more open. So here's the cami. Think it's cute. I am wearing my normal bra because I don't own a strapless bra, because you are doing this. Bigger busted ladies, you might know. Heck, maybe smaller busted ladies have to do that too. But I could wear maybe a bralette underneath it. I still have to wear my normal bra under my bralettes for the support. So if any bigger busted ladies out there have found a bralette that has support in it, let me know where you got that, and I would love to try it. But yeah, I love these colors. Olive green, kind of an oatmeal-y color. These neutral colors I really like. So let me know what you guys think. And that's that. I think this cami's really cute. She also told me I could pop a like V-neck over this, which I thought was a really good idea. I would have never thought of that. I don't think out of the box. This is why I do these boxes. I don't like shopping. I don't like looking through things. And I just don't have great ideas. So this is why I do all these boxes that I do. And loving it. So yeah, this is the last one. Hello, my friends. So before I sat back down, I went ahead and I added everything up that they sent me on my box. The total was $446. Obviously, I'm not paying that because, one, that's crazy, and two, it all didn't look great on me. Peplum top, I know, is a definite no. That striped top, I like the Madewell versions of that top better. It's just made well, I guess. I like the material of the Madewell top. I think it hangs better. So I won't be getting that top. I don't know about the skirt. That first skirt I tried on, I'm not sure if the horizontal stripes looked great around my midsection. Tank, won't keep the tank. It's just a black tank I could probably get from anywhere. The jean jacket's cute. Don't know if I need another jean jacket. You guys have to let me know about the culottes, because I really love those culottes. I just don't know if they look great on. And I don't know how well the film picked them up to have you guys let me know. But if it did, you guys will have to let me know what you think. Because I am like my worst critic. I honestly don't think much usually looks good on me. I don't know. I shouldn't. I should start looking at myself in the mirror and saying, you're wonderful, you're gorgeous, you're beautiful. But I don't. So let me know what you guys think. I like the cami. I like the cardigan. Great thing about Trendsend is that they have a website, which is evereve.com, that anybody can go and shop at. And a lot of their stuff will go on sale. That happened to me last month. In my box, I kept a jacket, and about 2 weeks after I bought it, I was on the site just kind of checking it out, and the jacket was like 40% off, 30 or 40% off, which kind of broke my heart. And they still had my size, which is the thing is you might not be able to get your size if you wait. So with Trendsend, if it's something you really, really love, then you kind of just have to get it then. Of course, I always do what my mother always told me when I was younger. No, the cardigan, it's $88. I'll have that cardigan for years. You know, by the time I'm done with that cardigan, it'll probably cost me 5 cents a wear. Honestly, you know, it cost me 5 cents to wear it each time to add up to that $88. And it's true, and I know that. It's just that initial purchase, you know. So, so that was my box for this month, guys. Let me know what you think. I appreciate all your comments, and I will see you the next time around. Bye-bye.